So in today's video, I'm going to show you a drop servicing model that anyone can do right now. This is a very simple way to get started into the drop servicing world. And what drop servicing is when you have someone that needs a service, whether it's to create a logo, maybe to create an overlay, maybe to create a website, and they need that service done. You're going to become the middle person where you're going to find someone that can do that service. And when you find the person that can do that service, your goal is to find it cheaper. So if someone's trying to pay for a logo for their gaming site or for their YouTube channel, and they're saying, I have $100 budget. And they're coming up to you, say, hey, I need a logo for $100. So that is a service they need. And what your goal is to find someone else that is going to actually create the logo. That's why this method is so simple, because you don't need any technical, skills. You don't actually have to be an expert on creating logos. You just have to be an expert on finding people. But in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the actual person that's going to do the logo or whatever service we're going to look for. And we're going to use this model over gaming Twitch overlays because it's very popular right now and it's in high demand. So if you go find someone that can create that logo for $30, $40 and they're going to pay you $100, you're going to net anywhere from $50 to $60. That is as simple as drop servicing works. So let's jump into my computer and show you how you guys can get started in creating different drop servicing. So the drop servicing that we're going to do is for gamers, okay? And I'm gonna show you the high demand of this. It's Twitch overlays, where you can do OBS overlays even when I'm doing a video like this. It's in high demand right now because you can see Twitch streamers are making anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 per month just off of ad revenue. That doesn't even include donations, people just giving them money because they like watching it. But the reason they get so popular is because if you go to Twitch, and you're going to see some of these people that are actually playing. I'll play one here real quick. But you're going to see this person is streaming, but not just their gameplay is what makes their stream work so well. You need people to watch. You need people to be entertained. You need people to donate. But you can see here, he has an overlay, or you have this right side, you have his camera. He's playing for 100 Thieves, and he has this little bottom part that's showing. So that is nothing but an overlay. And if we go to some others here, we even have Tfue. You can see he's got his overlay here. He's playing a little, looks like Apex Legends. But this is great because a lot of the gamers, they don't know how to create these overlays. They want to start streaming. They want to start a business. They want to get this overlay done. So you're going to be able to find these gamers using Instagram, because you're probably wondering, hey, how do I find the customers that are going to need these actual overlays? You can go onto Instagram and kind of play around here. And you can type in gaming. Let's go to search. And you're going to want to DM some of these people. Let's see, we'll go here. We got Play Me. He plays games. You're just going to go and direct message these people and ask them, are you interested in getting an overlay for your Twitch stream so you can make more money? And when they agree to do that, and they're going to give you a budget and they're going to give you all the information, now you need to find someone to actually create this whole overlay, okay? Now there's a couple options that you can go to. You can go over here. You can actually go to Fiverr.com. You can look up people that are doing overlays. So if you can find someone that's willing to pay you over what you're going to pay at Fiverr, you don't have to do any of the work. You just have to be the middle person. You just have to be the communicator. Like, hey, you got $60 for an overlay. I'll get that done for you. So you can see the high demand here, even on Fiverr.com. This guy's done over 1,000 plus. So you can basically piggyback off the money he's making, because he's doing he's done over 23.10. So we'll do 23.10 at the minimum price. He's charged $35. He's made over 80 grand just off of this one gig, which is basically making Twitch overlays. He's doing Twitch logos and screens. So you can even sell someone an overlay and maybe they need a logo as well, so you can earn more money. And this guy's doing it for $35. So if you get the other person to even do it for 60, you're earning just as much as this guy where he's doing 80 grand, but you are just a communicator. You don't have to create the logo. You don't have to create the overlay. All you have to do is keep all this in check. Now, another place you can do it too, if you don't want to deal with these guys, you want to make some more money, you can go to a place called placeit.net. It's a site that you can get on there. You can pay like a monthly subscription. It's not too much. It's like 10 or 14 bucks. I have to check. I'm not too sure. But you go over here and you'll have a bunch of different ways that you can drop service. But we're going to stick with our Twitch templates. We'll go over here. They have Twitch overlays. And if you buy the commercial license, you're able to resell these overlays. This way I like it because it's really easy. They kind of do all the work for you. So let's click this one. It's going to look just like Tfue or the other guy that we just watched. Very simple overlay, and it's already pretty much made. It's got the little window. You don't have to be an expert at making this window. We can change this name to, I don't know, let's just pretend it was Tfue, right? He's looking for one, and just like that, he's got his logo, his names there. He's branded. You can change his Twitch. Here's the donation part. Look, top donators. It's got all the buttons he's going to want. His little social media. You just set it up. It's just, look, plug and play. Maybe he wants a screen on the right-hand side. No problem. We can move that all over. We can move his name over. It's very simple. It's just a lot of these people that are getting into the actual gaming world or the service world, they just don't know how to do this. They feel like it's complicated. Probably like you, if you went on this video right now, it's very complicated. Like, I have no clue how to go on Adobe Premiere or Shop and do all this. It's you can do some tutorials on YouTube, but it's very complicated. But when you can use sites like this and then have that complication, which allows you to make more money, because when jobs are harder, they're going to pay you more. So even if they're paying you 50, 60 bucks for doing simple templates like this, even if they're giving you $20 or $30 for a template, maybe you give them a deal. Maybe you're just new out there. You want to hit Instagram, you go, how much are you looking to pay for an overlay? And maybe some guy was offering 60, you undercut them, say, I'll do it for you for 50 because you can use this site and it's not going to cost you very much. Basically, if you do one overlay or one logo, it's going to pay for the site plus more. And if you do, let's say you get about 10 of these a month and you're making 50 bucks, I mean, that's a nice $500 side hustle. And to create this, it's going to take you, once you get used to it, maybe 4 or 5 minutes. They're going to give you all the information. They're going to give you the colors, the scheme, the logo, the name. You're just going to plug and play and put it in. So I hope you enjoyed this simple business model on how you can start drop servicing, how you can start earning some cash, get it flowing so you can start investing. This is a very simple form of it, but there's tons of different ideas that you can get doing it, especially if you go to Fiverr, because these are all freelancers that are doing it. They just use this site to do all the marketing for them. But if you go on Instagram, Reddit, Quora, and you actually find them directly, Twitter, they're going to be willing to pay you a lot more, because a lot of people are scared to talk to freelancers. They think it's going to be too much money. It's going to be too complicated. They want the whole process to be simple. They just want to say, hey, here's 50 bucks. Levan, can you help me? I want to only talk to you. Can you help me? Boom. I put it on, I go on places, or I go on Fiverr. I do little, work that gets it done. So comment down below if you guys are going to start this drop servicing business, or if you've actually tried drop servicing before. You can give me some of your feedback. And if you guys want good luck, don't forget to subscribe down below in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I really appreciate it. Helps my channel. So till the next one, guys, I'm out. Peace.